What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I wanted to jump on here, same day afternoon, sun's going down. My buddy Woody just left from Fire Blast and they came through with their 2-week deadline on all of the fan holder kits. So, check these out. Woo! All of those. We've got boxes of arms. Look at how freaking nice these things are. Man, oh man. And they're all boxed separately because each arm is actually individual, right? So we got all the boxes of those, got a whole bag of tabs, and then these are all the center plates, and everything looks fantastic. We'll dig into it a bit more. I don't want to make a big giant mess, but yeah, I have all of these to weld up and get done. So with that being said, trying to be ahead, proactive, getting in front of you guys, letting you know exactly where we're at in the process. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you were watching this and you are a pre-order customer, thank you very much. You are awesome, and thank you for your patience. So I told you guys that when we ordered these, we had a deadline to close the ordering, and then we had a deadline to get these things laser cut, which was 2 weeks, and they came through to the day. So I sent these out 2 weeks ago last Friday. So now it is on me. So I have to physically make the hoops and weld these things all up and then get them over to Warr Performance. So I'm going to go gangbusters this whole weekend because my race car is still at my buddy's shop and he is doing a phenomenal job fixing it, and I'm just in the way anyway. So I'm going to spend my weekend getting these things done and racked out. You can follow along on Instagram. I'll post stories and things and show you the stacks of piles of me making these if you really want to follow along like that. But I have an obligation next weekend. So even if I finish these things up this weekend or maybe through the week, next weekend, if you do follow along on the channel, I have a #1 fan. His name is Kane. His dad is Fernando. If you missed the video, we have partnered with Holly to put a Terminator X Max in their truck. So they are chomping at the bit. I want to help them out. And then it just so happens that we get this stuff and life happens. So next weekend, I have scheduled the install with them, Kane and Fernando. So the truck, I have to go pick it up Friday. I'm hoping that they drive that thing home by Sunday is the plan. Knock on cardboard and wood and everything else, that it goes well. But I will have these done and welded. I have to get them over to Warr Performance. I contemplated shipping, but I think I would have way too much stress if I tried to package 40 of these things up because the size of it, so the size, cost, all of that, but mainly if these got damaged in shipping to Warr, that would put me so far behind. I don't think you guys would be happy, and I definitely wouldn't, because if they damage these like in a bundle or whatever, I just can't like fix them, and then if I had to reorder them and wait and all that stuff, so I'm not going to deal with it. I'm not going to deal with the stress. So my plan is to have these to Warr Performance by the end of this month so they can start shipping them out to everybody that's waiting. So I appreciate all the patience. I'm sorry that everything got extrapolated a little bit, but we got to throw Kane in the mix because him and his father, mostly Kane, is very excited. His dad's excited too, but I guess I talked to Fernando. Kane has been chewing on his ear every single day, and I have help next weekend. My buddy Gene is going to help me with the install. He didn't have time this weekend, otherwise we got it done sooner, but he had time the following. So I think everything should work out decent. Like I said, if you want to follow along, see where your stuff is, I appreciate all of you. If something came up and you're like, I just can't wait any longer, you're an idiot, please reach out. Let me know before you start storming around on the internet. But again, I am a one-man band. We are trying to do this. We are trying to make some other dreams come true. And I'm trying to go racing myself. And we're trying to do it all in a timely manner, organized fashion, and have fun doing it. So that is it, man. We're going to have a whole weekend of fabricating these. If I could sneak over to my buddy Jason's shop and share with you guys progress on the car. He sent me some pictures and stuff, but I really want to show you that. We will do that. And then I have some parts and things that I need to share with you guys as well, but I don't want to beat you up on all those videos in a row. I want to kind of spread them out. So maybe we'll make something if you guys are interested on the fan process, or I'll just kind of show you. Maybe we can get them all stacked up because it should be pretty impressive. This is the biggest order that I've done of these to date, so I'm excited with that. But yeah, we'll share with you guys. We'll keep you posted. I appreciate you all. I hope you had a fantastic week. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to rest up a bit because we got a lot of stuff to tackle. Till next time, you guys know what to do. I'm out.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon dry style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the Warr Performance parts all over the place. The bomb squad's on the scene, you two's going wild.